Hi, my name is Patty. I'm a bat, and I have a mother and a father and a bunch of siblings. Two of them are the oldest. One of them was born in 1980, and the other in 1990. My predator, an owl, came and killed my father, and then my mother sacrificed herself for her young. Before the owl killed my dad scratched his eye. The bat wanted revenge, and the teenage brother and sister wanted to raise him as their son. The owl returned to kill the rest of the bats, but I saw him and warned them before he got there. Dang it! I was too late. Yay! Me escape. Sorry. The owl came back, and right then one of my friends, Wolfie, came out and ate the owl, and we lived very happy. That was good. Yay, we are safe! The end.
The Big Cats and Spiders by Scylla Tyson. Hi, my name is Shanice. I have 3 siblings. They are 2 years old, 2 months, 3 years, 6 months. I'm the 2-year-old. My family is in the big cat family. We are cheetahs. Another name for cheetahs are axolotl jabbers. Cheetahs are wild cats with long legs. We can also be 7 feet and 2.1 meters long. We are yellow with black spots. Cheetahs weigh around 40 to 50 pounds. Cheetahs live in Africa. If we live there, there are a lot of grass and land. Plants and trees. Most of us live in Africa, but a few of us left in Asia. When we go to sleep, we sleep on the ground. Cheetahs are carnivores. We eat springboks, alpacas, gazelles, warthogs, oxes, zebras, kudu, and antelopes. Our speed helps us catch our prey. Lions and hyenas try to kill us. We use our speed to get away. Cheetah use the black spots to camouflage ourselves so our predators won't see us. The black stripes that is on our eyes to the lips help us because the sun is out. The black stripes help us see. Also, we have special adaptation that allows us to have speed, wide nostrils, and large lungs. Cheetahs used to be endangered because humans was destroying their habitat and they kept killing for clothes. There are different ways you can keep cheetahs safe. Hunters need to stop killing cheetahs and stop destroying our habitat. Also, they need to stop cutting our fur for clothes and should stop testing sprays on us. That makes us sick. Those are things you should not do. Some cheetahs don't have a family. You should adopt it and treat it with love and affection. Cheetahs have thin legs that are able to make a large stride as runs which makes it attain its top speed of around 70 miles. Cheetahs once lived in large numbers in Africa and in India, but due to express hunting, there are no cheetahs left in India.
Hi, I'm Emmett. This is my wife Lois, my daughter Okami, and my son James. We're the Ottertons. We live in a hole my dad James Otterton made with wood and twigs. Tonight Lois is making snails and mussels. Us otters like eating on our stomachs. How I learned to fight was playing with my brother. We need to learn to fight to hide from bobcats and alligators. Humans can help me by feeding my family. Me and my brother Robert live 2 hours away from me and my wife's house. My mom and dad were still caring. My dad went to work every day. My mom makes clam chowder. My grandma watch it looking at TV. Yeah, the good life, and that was 18 years ago. Today is my wedding anniversary. I'm 10 years old already. That's it.
The Life of a River Otter by Mason. Hi, I am a otter. Most people love me. My name is Canadius. My habitat is in a river. I love to swim. I like to eat squid, fish, and crabs.
The Polar Bear with a Dream. Hi, my name is Samantha. I am a polar bear. I have white and have thick fur to keep me warm. My fur blends in with the snow. With a short tail, it prevents heat loss. We use our back paws like rudders to steer. We have a layer of fat called blubber, but about as thick as your leg. Our fur is a yellowish color, but it looks white because our fur reflects light from the bright snow. I have little ears so I don't lose much heat. I can live in the North Pole, Russia, Greenland, US, but only in Alaska, Canada, and in Norway. Our surroundings is snow. We live in a den. It has cold temperature. It is up to the negatives. When cubs get older, they live alone. We find their food in the wild. We make long journeys across the snow and slippery ice, looking for different kinds of food. We eat seals, birds, fish, and plants. Our main food is ringed seals. We attack when we see our prey. In the 1950s, hunters shot hundreds of polar bears from shot hundreds of polar bears from airplanes. Humans kill us polar bears. Sometimes it's for our fur or for food in the Arctic. We have fur on the bottom of our feet to keep us warm and stop from slipping. Our thick fur helps keep us warm. We use our front paws to paddle. Us polar bears grow fur over years to be able to have thick fur to blending into the snow or to keep ourselves warm. And also they live alone when they get older and their fur will keep them safe. Less than a decade ago, most population of polar bears were considered healthy, even growing. But climate change is impacting the population of this Arctic icon. In 2008, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service listed us polar bears in Alaska as threatened. It was the first marine mammal listing under the Endangered Species Act, shocked by primarily to climate change. Without help, polar bears could disappear from USA shores by 2050, or people kill their food. How you can help is by adapting one or you could find wherever they are located and stop the hunters from wherever they are located and stop the hunters from hunting them so they could still be alive. Some polar bears are at the zoo because they are endangered. The zoo is the best place for animals in danger like polar bears to go.
Howler Monkey's Life. Hi, I am a monkey and I am brown with a beard. I weigh 9 to 22 pounds, which is 4 to 10 kilograms. I also have a long tail and I can be black, brown, or red. I live in Central America. My surroundings are lots of trees because I live in a rainforest in Central America. The climate or weather every day is always rainy because I live in a rainforest. Also, most of my friends live in troops of 15 or more monkeys. Howler monkeys can sleep up to 18 or more hours each day. I am a herbivore, which means I eat leaves all the time, fruits, nuts, and flowers. I go tree to tree so I can find the best leaves. The people that hunt for me are jaguars and other mammals like large snakes and humans. One survival skill I have is I howl to defend my territory. One of the adaptations I have is my tail, and my tail helps me swing from tree to tree. Another adaptation I have is my feet, and that helps me by I can hold on to trees. I am not endangered because I am new to the world. The sources I used are Pebble Go and Kid Rex. How can people protect howler monkeys? People can protect howler monkeys by not killing them because they have something special to make stuff like jewelry. The end.
The life of the hummingbird. Hi, I'm a hummingbird. Well, we don't actually hum. That's our scientific name. Our scientific names is trilogy. Our life cycle is the female lay 2 or 3 eggs, then the mom protects the eggs for 3 weeks. The lifespan of we hummingbirds is 1 to 6 years. Our life cycle is pretty different from others. Hummingbirds lay 2 or 3 eggs. The mom protects the egg for 3 weeks. The lifespan of our hummingbirds is 1 to 6 years. How we protect ourselves? By flying backwards, away quickly, or even diving, but our colors also help to blend in with our surroundings. Cats are my family's biggest danger because hummingbirds will dart and move quickly. Cats love to choose them since hummingbirds are not much as a meal. A cat will usually just maul them to death. Blue jays, cows, rodents, herds, chipmunks, and squirrels are not notorious for eating hummingbirds. Fish, frogs, snakes, and lizards have been known to snatch up low-flying hummingbird for a nice meal. We hummingbirds can fly up to 6 to 60 miles per hour, but the average speed is closer to 30 miles per hour. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds. We hummingbirds will weigh up to 1 and 8 grams, having a length of 5 centimeters and 2 inches. We almost the size of a human thumb. How we hummingbirds sleep. We sleep like we perch on the tree branch at night time, and watch is when we enter a torpor hibernation. Hummingbirds can consume up to 50% their weight in sugar, nectar, and solution. Each day, they usually feed on nectar and insects. The end.
Hi, I'm Polar Bear McPolison, and I have white fur and black fur that is transparent, and I have brown eyes and a black nose. I live in the Arctic, and I am surrounded by ice and snow. It is very cold here, like 17 degrees. My food is walrus, blubber, and seal. People are my enemies because they hunt for me and eat my friends too. I only burrow when I am giving birth to my cubs. We are in danger when the sun comes. It melts the ice.